Hello, my name is Maria. Today, I want to share my transformative experience with Lipozem and how it has been a game changer in my weight loss journey. If you're struggling to reach your weight goals, stay with me, as my story might provide the motivation and answers you're looking for. In the beginning, I was really facing difficulties. Like many, I made changes to my diet and started exercising regularly, but the results just weren't showing up. The frustration was constant, and the feeling of being stuck was discouraging. That's when I decided to look for an additional solution and discovered Lipozem. What caught my attention was its unique, natural approach to weight management. Lipozem is a dietary supplement formulated with natural ingredients like EGCG from green tea, turmeric extract, cayenne pepper, cinnamon, ginger, and flaxseed. Each of these components was selected based on scientific studies and has a specific role in improving metabolism, controlling appetite, and accelerating fat burning. I decided to give Lipozem a try and started using the supplement as recommended, 1 capsule twice a day before the main meals. It's a simple and practical approach that fits seamlessly into my routine. Additionally, the formula is made right here in the USA, following strict FDA and GMP standards, which gave me confidence in the product's quality and safety. Since I began taking Lipozem, the results have been remarkable. My metabolism increased significantly, which translated into more efficient fat burning. The reduction in cravings was a huge relief and helped me keep my eating plan under control. Improved sleep quality was another surprising benefit. I began sleeping better, and this positively impacted my energy levels and overall well-being. One of the greatest advantages of Lipozem is its 180-day money-back guarantee. This gave me added peace of mind, knowing that if the product didn't meet my expectations, I could request a full refund. However, to ensure you're getting the genuine product and not a counterfeit, it's crucial to purchase only from the official website. The link to the official website is in the video description and pinned in the comments. Buying directly from the official site ensures the product's authenticity and full customer support. If you're serious about your weight loss journey and want to maximize your results, I truly encourage you to consider Lipozem. Every step in the right direction counts, and adding Lipozem to your routine might be exactly what you need to achieve your goals faster. Don't waste time. Click the link in the description, check out all the details, and start your transformation today. Good luck on your weight loss journey, and I hope my experience can help you achieve the results you deserve.